It's another day here today. It is Sunday. Today we're having a birthday party for Hazel. Her birthday's not actually until April 10th, but next weekend is Easter. So we're doing the weekend before Easter. And yeah, we're celebrating her birthday. So I invited some doggy friends, but most people are a little bit scared of having their dogs around other dogs. You know, and especially some dogs that they don't know. But Kuba's gonna be here. That's the only one that's actually coming. But Hazel hangs out with all the dogs, so Hazel will be fine with Kuba. And we finished her sandbox yesterday. Gave her that as her early birthday present. She loves it, guys. Oh my gosh, my mama heart was so happy yesterday seeing her in it for the first time. She was so happy. I was so happy. Yeah, so I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna show you guys what I made so far for her birthday. Hazel, it's your sandbox. It's your sandbox. Come here. Look at this. Look, Hazel.
8 eggs.
What is this?
Yeah, it's okay.
What is it? Do you remember this?
Yeah. Come here. Come inside. Yeah. That's for these puppies. Come here. Come here, Hazel, look. Look. Yeah. 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 Yeah, come on. Come inside. Come in. Yeah. Yeah. Look. Yeah. 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 Uh-oh. Yeah. Yeah. That's for these puppies. Come on, go inside. Go ahead, yeah. Okay, go. Go inside, go ahead, go. Go, it's okay. Go.
Don't eat it.
It's okay. No, Hazel. Go inside, come here. Look, come here. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Yeah, there you go, good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Good girl. She got all over her nose. Yeah, good girl. Alright, good puppy.
We're gonna make everything pretty simple. We did set up the table. I gotta get rid of that table run in the center. We set up the table just so that we could all sit here. It's gonna be my family, Dom's family. So it's us, and yeah, so that's good. But let me show you guys. And it's been a little challenging because Jaden has to eat gluten and dairy free right now. So we had to get gluten-free bread and everything, and really try to think of, like, I had to make a cake, like an oat flour cake, and no dairy, no nothing. So that is this right here. And I made a coconut frosting to go on top with coconut cream. So I still got to add that on. Soaking potatoes. You're gonna try to make French fries because we're just gonna do burgers and chicken, like things on the grill. That seems like the easiest, non-dairy, no gluten kind of thing. I made a salad. I just need to make the vinaigrette dressing to go with this. Well, this is like tomato, cucumber, and onion. And then we're also gonna have just like a mixed greens. And I think I'm gonna make the dressing on the side in case people want to add this to the mixed greens and then still choose their own dressing. We started setting things up for the burgers, cut those already. Oh, I also, let me show you guys in the fridge. We made the meat board, no cheese, there are some pickles on there, and then I got gluten-free crackers to go in between. That right there is Hazel's birthday cake, and I do have a little #1 to go on top. Here I just have the veggies, and I also got a dairy-free French onion dip that's made with almond milk yogurt. So yeah, everything looks like a mess right now, but we're still working on it. We still got an hour and a half-ish. I also got to put this up. I think this I'm going to just put it inside. It says, let's potty. I got to put Hazel stuff on. Oh, we got to do the pinata. Gotta hang that up. Yes, I got her a pinata, and there's some treats in here. And she's got to pull the strings to kind of open it up. We also got some balloons, a little doggy, and some hearts. It's just very windy, so it's flying all around. So it was her first time in the sandbox yesterday. She already went in it today also. But look, there's already sand out here and everything, and sand back there. She just loves digging in here. Hi, Munchkin. Hi, come in your sandbox. I know, I'm holding this pinata. You're interested in this, aren't you? Uh-huh. Yeah. You'll get to do this later, okay? For now, go in your sandbox. Go in your sandbox. Go in there. What's in there? What's in... You just want the pinata. How's your sandbox, huh? You still want the pinata right now? We put it up higher for now so that she can't get to it.
Hi, Hazel. Relax.
You see...
It's okay. Where did Kuba go? We have a low...
Kuba's over here.
Okay, he's over here.
Hi, Kubi.
Hi, yeah, so exciting.
Maybe he wants to go pee and...
Everybody's here, puppy.
He's smelling all her pee spots. Oh, there goes Hazel. Yeah.
To dla niej.
Aww.
To się nie zainteresowany.
Nie no,
He just... Oh, Kuba's trying to make a poop. Hazel, come here. Hazel, come here.
no, I have a bag.
Aww.
Hazel, easy. Easy. Relax.
Kuba's like, just leave me alone. I'm trying to do my business. Come on, Hazel. Hazel, come on. Hazel, come on. Hazel, you gotta pull that. You gotta pull this. Here. Here. Grab it. Here. Pull. Hazel, here. Pull. Grab it. Grab it. You gotta pull it. Come on, Hazel. Here. 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 Oh. Oh. It's not working, babe. Help me.
Kind of hard to have a dog pull a pinata.
Możesz unieść się, nie musisz się zapinać. Kto cię trzyma? Dziadek cię trzyma? Co tu? Co robimy? This is the bone? Popatrzcie, co tu się stało? I nie mogą Nie mogą tego otworzyć? No to dlaczego? O!
Hazel, get your frisbee. Get your frisbee. Come on. Here. Here. Pull. Hazel.
Co robi?
Hazel, listen. Is it tree? Tree. I'm trying. I want Hazel to open it. Hazel, look. What's in here? Tree? Alright, Hazel, I'm going to help you a little. Alright, Hazel. It's open. Now you gotta shake it. Look. Smell. Smell. Smell it. Look. Oh. You smell it in there? Here, come on. Pull, Hazel, pull. Here. Pull. Hazel, come on. Come here. Come here, Hazel. Do it together. Here. Pull. Hazel. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Really? just rip some more. Ready, Hazel? Here. What's coming out? Doesn't even care. Hazel, what is this? Look. Look.
Kuba.
Kuba's not gonna like these. Kuba, you want a treat?
Nie bój się, nie bój się. Oj, teraz się balonów widzę boli.
Here, Kuba. Fail. There's more treats in there, all right. Yeah.
Marek, ale tylko trzymaj, żeby był ubrany.
They're inside. You see them? In here? Treats for Hazel.
No starting.
Yeah.
All right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hazel. Happy birthday to you.
All right, Hazel, you
What
ready?
about the Polish version? No?
100 lat, 100 lat.
Look at Jaden.
Oh man.
Hazel.
Oh, Jaden, off
Hazel,
the table.
blow.
Come
Hazel.
on. No, you can't even
Blow it.
try to look
There
at
you
it.
go. Hazel had such a great birthday today, guys. The pinata was a total fail, but she enjoyed her cake. She had a burger for dinner. She just had so much fun with everybody and seeing Kuba, and it was just so sweet. I'm so happy I was able to give her, you know, a birthday party, and even all the doggy friends, even though all the doggy friends didn't come, I'm happy Kuba was here and family was here, and everybody got to love on her and shower her with lots of love. So it made me so happy. And I made like a cute little reel on Instagram, which I'll try to post here also. But yeah, it was so nice. Everyone should celebrate the doggy's birthday. They're just like such a part of family. They are family, and they only get a certain amount of birthdays, you know, and we need to celebrate them any chance we can. So it was really nice. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog video. Talk to you soon. Bye.